Hey guys, welcome back to Kyra's Slime Mug. So today I'm going to be showing you what's inside the slime kit, and I'm going to be doing it. Camera. Okay. Now, let's open it. Oh gosh. I didn't know this was going to be so hard. Oh, look up right up. I feel like it's going to hurt my fingers. Ow. Okay. Well, okay, so it comes with instructions, stickers or something. But we don't need that. Ooh. Like there's these glitters and food dye. Oh my gosh, these foam beads. What are these? Oh, there's little mixing bowls. These are so cute. There's lids for the slimes I make and containers. What is this? Why does it have bubble wrap? What the heck? Oopsie. Well, oh, I think you go like this and into the container and you like tie them together. Then I have like these little pack of glitters, galaxy colors. What is this? Borax activator. Okay. Here's, oh my gosh, I didn't know it was gonna come with so much glue. Look at this big thing. Glue. Oh my gosh. Okay. Okay, this is cool. And it has like the little squeeze nozzle. Okay. And I'll definitely be seeing this container. Why does it come with like beakers? Like measuring cups for the glue? Huh. Okay. I think you have to, let me see the instructions on me. To make the borax water, simply need to add water to this bottle, leaving a small space at the top. Then shake the bottle lightly until the borax is fully developed. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go do that. Oopsie. Okay, so I got the water in the borax. I know the camera won't stay. Here you go.
Are you recording?
I did. Now I'm gonna shake. Ah, it's going everywhere. Oh gosh, it's slippery. This is so cool. I also got some of my glitters for galaxy colors. I didn't know it was gonna come with a bunch of glitters and stuff, so. Oh, it comes with like glow-in-the-dark stars, glow-in-the-dark powder, purple, blue, and pink food coloring, another nozzle. Wow, okay. Ah, it's not mixed in yet, okay. Ow, my arm. Keep slipping. Is the activator ready yet? No. Arm's gonna hurt after this. Ugh, all of it's not mixed in. Why does this shake so much? Okay, I'll see you guys when it's done. Alright guys, so it's finally done. That took forever. My arm hurts now. There you go. Okay. My arm hurts now. It still has like a pinch left, but I don't care. I'm using it because my arm's tired. So first, it says like to measure. Oh, it comes with stickers. I'll give this to my brother. But it says. Ooh, there's like other slime kits on Amazon. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Well, yeah, I know. 3-year-olds. Okay, well, I'm not gonna measure the glue, so let's open it. Does it have like a seal thing? Yeah, I think it has a seal. Ow. Ow, that hurts. Ow. Oh, that hurts. Okay. I can't open it. Oh, I got it open. Okay. Really? There's a seal on this. How am I supposed to get that out? Let me. Oh, I got it out. Okay. Let's put that in trash. And don't worry, guys. I'm gonna pick out the trash after. So let's put the glue in. This is so cool. I'm definitely saving this bottle and this nozzle. It's so cool. I'm gonna rinse it out and then I'll put like food dye in there or something, or like paint. Ugh. Alright, there. It's not even a lot of glue. Alright, there. I have glue, but I'm probably not. I'm just gonna take it off and add more. I don't really think I need the nozzle. There you go. I'll put the cap back on. Last time I didn't do that, it spilled everywhere. Okay, so I have my glue in. Now, I'm gonna add some food coloring. We're gonna do it pink. Is that clear food dye or? I think it is. Get the spoon thing. These spoons are so weird. Okay. Like they're flat. But whatever. Oh, this is so pretty. It'll match great with the Barbie pink glitter I have. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look guys, that's so pretty. Oh, I used a pink bowl. Okay. That is really pretty. So now I'm gonna add the activator. Oh no, the wind. Okay, I'm gonna add the activator, but I'm gonna put one of those little nozzles on it so it doesn't go everywhere. Because it has like an extra nozzle right here. Whoop. Come on. There you go. It has like an extra nozzle, so I'm gonna use it for the activator so it doesn't go everywhere when I pour it in the bowl, so I don't overactivate it. I'm gonna add that much for right now. Oh gosh, okay. Oh, it's working. This looks like it's gonna be nice. Oh gosh, I got activator on the side of the bowl. I think it needs a little more activator. There you go. I don't want to add too much because it's borax. Oh, I think it's ready to kneading with my hands. This spoon's not very good. I don't like it though. Okay, I'm gonna go in with my hands. Oh, this feels nice. It still needs kneading, but I'm gonna knead it. It's a very tiny slime. Ah, I thought that was me. Ah. Oh no, my hair. Oh dang it, my hair's in it. Oops. Got it out. Kneading. Alright. It's still sticky, so I think I need a little more activator or this needs more kneading. Oh, it got cloudy again. Oh, it's not me. So weird. Okay. Can the cloud just stay there? Nope. Well, this is my Barbie pink slime. It's my pink slime. I'm gonna call it Barbie. I saw a crow. It's a little sticky. So I'm gonna add like a drop activator to it. Oops, that was a lot of drops. Okay. Oh my gosh. What was that? Okay. Well, I love this. I'm gonna call this one Barbie Pink for right now. And stay tuned to the end because I'm going to be doing a slime smoothie with the slimes I make. So, there's one. Barbie Pink. So I'm going to add glitter. The Barbie Pink glitter that I have. It's like literally the same, so I'm just going to add a little bit. There you go. Okay, I love this. It's so pretty. All done with this one. I'm gonna call this Barbie Pink. I love this. Oh, it's so shiny. Alright. Let's go to the next slime. Maybe I want to add... I was going to add foam beads, but this is like a really light slime. It only comes with black foam beads, I think. Yeah, so I'm just going to add the glitter. There you go. One done. I think I'm going to add this one into a little star container. And there it is, my pink slime that I just made. Okay, ooh, my legs are burning. Okay, so now we're gonna do another one. Oops, I almost put the borax in instead of the glue. I'm just gonna squeeze. Okay, so I'm just gonna go like this. Oops. Oops, that might have been too much or just enough for the slime. So I'm gonna do this one blue. How come this one? I got it. So there's another. Oh, there's a blue spoon. I'll use the blue spoon. Oops. Let's aim for it. One in the glitter. Okay. We're gonna add that much. Get that on. Now we're gonna mix it with the blue spoon. Ooh, this is really pretty. Ooh. I think my mom would like this blue. My mom's favorite color is blue. My favorite color is teal, blue, green. Ooh, this is so pretty. Now we're gonna add the borax activator. There you go. Mix, mix, mix. Okay. Simmering together really fast. These slime kits are really. This slime kit's really good. I never knew a slime kit can be so good. Ooh, this is nice. I love this. And I think I brought some blue glitter, but I think I'm just gonna use the blue glitter that I was given. Or the silver glitter in the package. Before I touch it with my hands, I'm gonna put more water. I mean activator that I made with water. Okay, time to go in with my hands. This is perfect. Alright, so I'm kneading it and it still needs kneading, so I'm gonna keep kneading it. I can make a lot of slimes with this glue. I've only made 2 glues, glue bottle, and I've only used that much glue. 2 slimes I made. I've only used that much glue, so hey, that's good. Maybe I overactivated it. Or it just needs kneading. I think I overactivated it. I'm probably gonna add more food dye to this one. I want it to be a dark blue. Oops. Okay. Yeah, I definitely overactivated this one. Maybe. So. Yeah. I thought I heard a beat. Okay, so I think I overactivated a little, so I'm just gonna add some more food dye. It's really pretty, but I'm probably gonna make another one. Another blue slime. There we go. This is cool. I love this. Oh, food dye on my hands. Oh, my mom would love this blue. This is so pretty. Oh no. By doing that, I'm just getting more food dye on me. The food dye is working. making it stretchier. Or it's the sun, I don't know. And I'm just gonna add the glitter and I will be all done. I think family members. I think McKenna's here. Yep, she is. Okay. She's from somewhere. So she's flown here. This is the dark blue that I made. It's so pretty. My mom would love this. Such dark blue. And I'm gonna add glitter. I don't know if I should add this white glitter anymore. I'm probably just gonna add this dark blue glitter that they gave me. Oh gosh. I'm gonna add this dark blue glitter. Oh, it has like a little, oh my gosh, that went everywhere. Okay. It's gonna be a very sparkly slime. Okay. Ooh, this is gonna be a really sparkly slime. I love it. Already. Ooh, this is so pretty. It doesn't look like this in the Barbie one, pink one, because I added chunky glitter instead of fine glitter, so. Oh my gosh, look. That is so glittery. That's so glittery. Okay, so I'm gonna put this one in this circle one. There you go. That's cool. It must be a planner or something. Okay, time to make the purple one. Oh gosh. I think I'm gonna use a different bowl this time. I'm gonna use the blue bowl for the purple one. Okay. Now, oh, glue first. Pop, glue bubble. Okay, I should stop doing the little nozzle. It's so hard. Okay, now I'm gonna put the food dye. Food coloring. There you go. Oops. Alright, so I'm gonna get the purple spoon. I'm gonna get the purple spoon and mix. Yes, a cloud. It was so hot. Okay, purple. I'm gonna add more purple. Okay. Well, I added the purple. Now it's like dark purple. Now I'm gonna add the activator borax. Okay, so I don't think it's ready to go. Maybe it's ready. Okay, so this purple is really pretty. And it's dark. I think I overactivated it again. Dang it. Bye-bye, dark purple. I overactivated it again. And by the way, that's my dog. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I definitely overactivated it. Okay. So, last time it worked, I put it more food coloring. So, I'm going to do that, and yeah, it should make it better. Oh my gosh, okay. Hopefully it doesn't get all on my hands like it did the last one. Oh, dang it. I added too much purple. Too much. Coda Bear. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, it's a bee. Coda Bear, no. Hey, Coda. 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 Coda Bear. Oh my gosh. Sorry, guys. Dakota knocked it over on accident. Here you go. He was trying to get a bee, but it flew away. Oh, there's purple all over my hands. No! My stuff's flying away. Hey. There was no wind earlier. Oh my gosh. I think this is a fail. It's still not as stretchy. Maybe add more glue to it. Oh my gosh, I think the purple dyed my hand a little bit. Oh, it kind of worked. No, I spoke too soon. Okay. Okay. Definitely a fail. I overactivated it. So I'm going to try adding more glue, maybe? Like a dot of glue. And yeah, so... Okay, so I don't know if the glue's working or not, but I think this one's a fail. It's rippy and it feels like store-bought slipping. So I think I added too much activator and I overactivated it, but... Hey! Hey! What are you doing? Don't chew up Connor's toy. Give me that. Give me that. Really? My dog was chewing up my brother's toy. Hot dog. Hey, go, Smokey. Smokey. Okay, I'm gonna add this purple glitter. Oh, it's so pretty. But I'm also gonna add the light purple chunky glitter. Never get too much glitter. Oh my gosh. Is this purple? I like silver. Huh. Purple, I think. Oh my gosh. This is definitely a fail. But I think I'm just going to use it for the slime smoothie anyway. Cloud Bear, are you chewing on something? I can't see. Okay. Huh. But look at this. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, my activator. Okay. Let's put the lid on that. Look at. Oh, that's so pretty. Okay. Now let me get all my slimes. Where did they go? Oh, there. Blue one. Pink one. Barbie pink. And these ones are really nice, but this one's bad. It still stretches, but it's like rippy and hard. My favorite one is probably the blue, because it has like fine glitter. But the pink is really pretty too. But I didn't want to add hot pink to my light pink, so. Now it's time for our slime smoothie. Let me just go like that so you guys can see it. Let's move all these. So, I'm going to put the purple, then the blue. Alright. Oh, this is so pretty. Guys, oh my gosh, look at this. Oh my, look at that. Oh, that's so pretty. ASMR time. That was my ASMR, so yeah, that's my video. Let's see the ending color. Well, I don't really want to, but I'm gonna. Oh my gosh, I think the purple made this whole slime rippy. But it turned out to like a bluish galaxy purple. Okay, so bye guys. Thanks for watching. Please remember to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe. Bye.